Grindr.
Max, why are you on that app? You're not a gay man looking for anonymous sex.
Anonymous. Anonymous.
You're not a gay man looking for anonymous sex.
Don't put me in a box. You told me to find ways to drum up business. Well,
Drum. Drum.
you told me to find ways to drum up business. Well,
Cool.
Check. Sorry I'm late. I was 10 minutes early for my shift.
Shift. Shift.
I was 10 minutes early for my shift.
It's the only place he can move his legs.
Oh, sweet. No thanks.
Sweet. Sweet.
Oh, sweet. No thanks. Oh, sweet. No thanks.
Well, think about it. You'll be at the front row of every concert.
Concert. Concert.
You'll be at the front row of every concert.
here, give old Ironside my number. What? I love music, and if he bugs me...
Bug. Bug.
What? I love music, and if he bugs me...
Not Harlow and Daughters.
Oh, that's that trendy restaurant that replaced a perfectly good hot dog on a stick.
Perfectly. Perfectly.
Replaced a perfectly good hot dog on a stick.
Caroline, what is my #1 dino rule?
Don't tell anyone the meat isn't real.
Meat. Meat.
Don't tell anyone the meat isn't real.
No phones.
Max, he got us the reservation.
Reservation. Reservation.
Max, he got us the reservation. Then you create hype by making it impossible to get a reservation. You basically refuse to let anyone in.
Basically. Basically.
You basically refuse to let anyone in.
Perfect, because I'm snow bored with this conversation.
What do you think? These things on full display?
Display. Display.
What do you think? These things on full display? What do you think? These things on full display?
I hate to be that roommate, but I didn't say you could borrow my breasts.
Borrow. Borrow.
But I didn't say you could borrow my breasts. But I didn't say you could borrow my breasts.
What? It's just a push-up bra, chicken cutlets, little tissue, and some tape. You know,
Tissue. Tissue.
it's little tissue and some tape. You know.
And he's got a great personality. There you go.
Usually I have great personality.
Personality. Personality.
Usually I have great personality.
That's a no-show. You just got stood up. You got stood up something awful.
Awful. Awful.
You got stood up something awful. You know, forever. And then finally, when it dawns on you,
Dawn. Dawn.
and then finally, when it dawns on you,
This was the day Caroline Shannon got stood up.
Well, screw him for standing you up. And from now on, never trust a guy.
Trust. Trust.
And from now on, never trust a guy.
Daughters has a real old-timey general store kind of vibe. I guess they take Throwback Thursday really seriously here.
Seriously. Seriously.
Thursday really seriously here. Thank you for making me take the reservation, Max. I mean, otherwise I was just...
Otherwise. Otherwise.
Max. I mean, otherwise I was just...
I mean, that is the most pretentious thing I've ever seen.
Hi, welcome to Harlow and Daughters. I'm the host, Brian.
Host. Host.
Daughters, I'm the host, Brian.
You and I both know there's no guy coming. My friend got stood up, so please don't make things worse. Just take out your cool little hunting knife.
Hunt. Hunt.
Worse. Just take out your cool little hunting knife. I understand. It's hard to be out 100 years ago.
Oh, funny.
Funny. Funny.
Oh, funny.
Was that drink directed by Wes Anderson? cheapest beer?
cheap, cheap,
Could we just get 2 of your ye old cheapest beer?
York, is the special soup of any garlic?
Oh my God, no way.
What? Is someone making soap?
soap, soap,
What? Is someone making soap?
Oh my God, no way.
What? Is someone making soap?
No. No, garlic.
garlic, garlic,
No. No, garlic. Is that the dandelion, chickpea, and other things that don't belong in a dish together thing?
dish, dish,
Things that don't belong in a dish together thing? Bring her the damn soup. She ain't kissing nobody tonight. And I'll have the free-range chicken.
chicken, chicken,
And I'll have the free-range chicken.
For your help. Byron wants you to have it.
Well, Byron is the only real old-fashioned thing in here.
fashion, fashion,
Well, Byron is the only real old-fashioned thing in here. P followed by 3 other letters. I'd spell it out for you, but
spell, spell,
I'd spell it out for you, but
Come on, Chica, don't set me up like that. It's too easy.
Max, I think I'm going to let go of letter grading myself and adopt your pass-fail system.
adopt, adopt,
And adopt your pass-fail system.